In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe on Otter Ai like a freelancer. There are a few steps to follow, so let's get started. First, head over to the Otter Voice Meeting Notes website, which is found at otter.ai. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on your profile. This can usually be found at the top right corner of the web page, often represented by an icon, a name, or something similar depending on how you've set up your account. After you've clicked on your profile, look for the option that says Upgrade Plan. This is the section you need in order to proceed with subscribing to Otter Ai's plans. Once you click on Upgrade Plan, you'll be presented with two options, a yearly subscription or a monthly one. Now it's time to choose which subscription works best for you. If you decide to go with the yearly plan, you will notice it's priced at $8.33 per month, billed annually. On the other hand, if the monthly subscription suits your needs better, it will be $16.99 per month. Choose the option that aligns with your budget and the duration you require Otter Ai's services for your transcription and voice meeting notes. Once you've settled on the subscription plan, it's time to enter your credit card details. Starting with your card number, ensure you type it in carefully to avoid any errors which might delay your subscription. Any mistakes here can lead to failed transactions, so double check this information. Next, you'll need to input your card's expiration date. Typically, the expiration date is located on the front of the card and is required to assure the card's validity. Following this, you'll want to add the security code. Usually a 3-digit number found on the back of your card near the signature strip. This provides an additional layer of security. Before proceeding, don't forget to include your billing address and zip code. These details are essential for processing the payment and can often affect transaction approval if incorrectly entered. Make sure that the information you provide matches exactly what's associated with your card. With all your details entered, it's time for the final step. Confirm that everything you've typed in is correct. Once you're ready and sure about your information, click on Purchase. This will finalize your subscription to the service. And there you have it. You've successfully subscribed to Otter Ai, securing an essential tool for taking accurate, real-time transcription of your meetings or audio notes. We hope this guide helped make the process simple and efficient. Keep these steps in mind whenever you might need to review your subscription or select a new plan. Thanks for watching and have a great day using Otter Ai